Morning, children. In the last class, we read this chapter, and today we will be doing the exercise of this chapter. I explain you exercise 1, exercise A. It is based on the chapter. The young man's stall in the street corner was almost bare. Goods once sold could be returned with a condition. Gunjan paid the young man 5 rupees for the first piece of advice. You have read in the book in this chapter. Note following the first piece of advice cost Gunjan 10 rupees. The young man tore up the handwritten note. Gunjan should separate biodegradable waste. Now exercise B. What was the career? In the chapter we see the career was the bag. Why did Gunjan have to spend extra money while shopping? Gunjan had to spend, you will start the answer from the question itself. Gunjan had to spend extra money while shopping because he did not carry the career. What did Gunjan decide to do with the waste? Start with the question. Gunjan decided to separate the waste. What is the advice that Gunjan planned to give his father? Gunjan, start from the question. Gunjan planned to give the advice to his father. What was the advice? All that is new is not the best. Now children, come to page number 5, exercise B. C we won't be doing. And A exercise, we have to match these opposite words. First is calm. Calm's opposite is in a huff. Second is coax. Coax means to persuade somebody else to do something, and its opposite is discourage. Third is eager, and the opposite is disinterested. Fourth is praise. We praise for some good job of somebody else, and we accuse somebody else for something wrong. Sure, confused. These antonyms you have to learn, and now these we will be filling in exercise B. I didn't think my presentation was very good. I felt discouraged, but everyone coaxed me to finish it. Means persuaded me to finish it. I felt discouraged. Discouraged means I did not want to do it, but everyone persuaded me to do it, and I did it. I was sure when the phone rang, but was confused by the silence when I picked it up. Life confuses me. One day I am praised for my answers, and the next I am accused of copying from my friend. This is the life. Life confuses somebody else. Sometimes he is praised for some answers, and sometimes he is accused of copying some answers. Now next is, my little sister smiled eagerly at the chocolate but looked disinterested at the glass of milk. Now next is, the clerk who was in a huff when I was searching for a pen in my bag calmed down when I found it. Now this is the crossword puzzle, children. Here you will be having some boxes missing, so 2 we won't be doing. So first one is not willing. Not willing to change thoughts means that person is known as stubborn. These are the meanings, and you have to learn them. anything that decays naturally, this is called biodegradable. To understand this third is understand means to decode. Fifth is walked very fast, and fifth is hot footed. Here one box is missing, so we have made here. Next is advised, eighth. Now here it is recommended, and here I have made 3 boxes. You can make and fill it recommended. And next is walked a little fast, ninth one. Here boxes have not been kept in the order, so you will leave it. Now next is to separate. Separate means segregate. This segregate. Now next is pledge, fourth one. Fourth, pledge. It is here vote. When we take pledge, this is called vote. Spoke in a rude way to express anger. So this is fifth one. Fifth is downwards. This is huffed. Now next is interestingly, sixth one. This is eagerly. And seventh is persuaded. And persuaded, seventh is coaxed. Now children, the other exercises are dependent on listening skills, so you won't be doing, and some are based on the grammar portion. So whenever we will be doing grammar, we will be these automatically will be done in the grammar section. So till here, till page 6, you have to do these exercises in a book and notebook and read next chapter for the next class. Thank you all.